75% of the American population is dehydrated. This is a chronic issue that isn't addressed near enough, while the simplicity of drinking water for your overall health and well-being is far too often overlooked. Let's see just how important water is for your body to function properly. The average body is 70% water. The brain is 85% water. Blood plasma is 92% water. Total water content in the body is typically around 11 gallons. 7 of those gallons are inside your cells. The body filters approximately 50 gallons of water a day through the kidneys, which is enough to fill a bathtub. Between 8 to 12 cups of water are lost each day, while the remaining water is recycled back through the body. Think of your body like a fish tank. If you don't replenish the water lost through evaporation, the tank will not be able to function properly. This is what happens to your body when you become dehydrated. And if you don't do regular water changes by replacing a portion of the dirty water with fresh water, then it will become murky and full of debris because the filter is overloaded with waste. Your kidneys are the filter that clean waste and toxins out of the fluids in your body. Your body needs the proper amount of water to stay clean, filter, and function properly. Side note, this does not include tea, coffee, lemonade, juice, or any other fluids you drink. Caffeinated and sugary drinks actually deplete the body of water because they're diuretics. For every diuretic you drink, you need to replenish the body with double that amount in fresh water. Symptoms of dehydration include headaches, dizziness, lightheadedness, brain fog, confusion, irritability, fatigue, poor concentration, muscle spasms, cramps, nausea, kidney stones, rapid heart rate, rapid breathing, dry mouth, and feeling thirsty. Yes, if you feel thirsty, chances are you have already become dehydrated. So, are you ready to live free from dehydration? When your health is lacking, everything else in life can become a struggle. Let's unlock the most important key to our health: proper hydration. To replenish your body of water lost each day, you need half your weight in ounces. For example, someone weighing 180 pounds needs 90 ounces or 11 cups of water a day. Water is the most essential nutrient needed for health, but not all water is created equal. The quality of water you drink is extremely important. Spring water is the best source, followed by filtered water, RO water, and distilled water. Try to avoid tap water and bottled water due to the microplastics and contaminants found in them when tested. Since water has become contaminated and requires filtration, unless you are able to find an amazing fresh spring for water, we need to discuss the importance of minerals. These minerals are often referred to as electrolytes. Electrolytes help your body properly absorb water into the cells. You can do this by taking a few granules of Celtic salt, Redmond salt, Himalayan salt, or any other mineral-rich sea salt before you drink a glass of water. The salt will provide you with the needed electrolytes. Please avoid iodized salt because it has been bleached and stripped of its mineral content, then put through a process of adding in iodine and stabilizers. This isn't natural and the salt has been depleted. Many believe salt should be avoided due to the common use of iodized salt, not knowing it's the process it was put through which made it unhealthy to consume. To help you get enough water each day, here are some suggestions of what you can add to give your water some natural flavor. Fresh squeezed lemon and or lemon slices, fresh squeezed lime and or lime slices, peppermint leaves, basil leaves, sprigs of rosemary, cucumbers, strawberries, orange slices, fresh grated ginger, kiwi, berries, pineapple, watermelon, or cantaloupe. Try mixing several fruits and herbs together to find the perfect combination of flavors for you. To prepare your naturally flavored water, add your choice of fruit and botanicals to a container of water and store overnight or at least a couple hours in the fridge to infuse the flavors and enjoy. I hope this video inspired you to go drink more water, because chances are you haven't been drinking enough. Water is a simple thing we can all do to improve our health and well-being. Your body will thank you. If you enjoyed today's video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can continue getting helpful tips to live free. If you'd like more information on how to transform your health and wellness journey, click the link below. Until next time, stay positive and thanks for watching.